Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the benefits of onion for our health. But before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss any our video. Onions, Allium cepa, are bulb-shaped vegetables that grow underground. Also known as bulb onions or common onions, they are grown worldwide and closely related to chives, garlic, scallions, shallots, and leeks. Onions may have several health benefits, mostly due to their high content of antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. They have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects and have been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, lower blood sugar levels, and improved bone health. Commonly used as a flavoring or side dish, onions are a staple food in many cuisines. They can be baked, boiled, grilled, fried, roasted, sautéed, powdered, or eaten raw. Onions vary in size, shape, and color, but the most common types are white, yellow, and red. The taste ranges from mild and sweet to sharp and spicy, depending on the variety and season. Onions can also be consumed when immature, before the bulb reaches full size. They are then called scallions, spring onions, or summer onions. Health benefits of onions. Onion, being such an adaptive plant, is a great source of essential nutrients our body needs. Let's explore the most valuable and well-known health benefits of onions. May aid in oral care. Onions are often used to prevent tooth decay and oral infections. Chewing raw onions for 2 to 3 minutes can potentially kill all the germs present in the oral area and surrounding areas like the throat and lips. May boost immunity. The phytochemicals present in significant amounts in onions act as stimulants for vitamin C within the body. Vitamin C boosts your immune system by fighting against toxins and various foreign bodies that can lead to diseases and illness. May help in reducing the risk of heart ailments. Onions act as potential anticoagulants, also known as blood thinners, which prevent the red blood cells from forming clumps. According to a report by Dr. Barry S. Kendler from Manhattan College, that use of certain formulations of garlic and/or onion is positively linked to preventing and reducing the risk of atherosclerotic disease. These blocks and clots can lead to heart disorders or cardiovascular diseases. May help manage diabetes. Onions contain chromium, which is a relatively unusual mineral to be found naturally in food. Chromium helps the body manage blood sugar levels and ensures a slow, gradual release of glucose to the muscles and body cells. Furthermore, in a research report published in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology, it was found that onion juice, when given to people with diabetes along with their food, helped control hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, effectively. Therefore, eating them can help modulate blood sugar levels. May aid in skincare. Onion juice mixed with honey or olive oil is said to be the best method for treating symptoms or signs of acne. It is also potentially anti-inflammatory in nature, so the active compounds can reduce the redness and swelling that is commonly associated with skin conditions like acne. Onions also help reduce the associated pain and inflammation of conditions like gout and arthritis. And many more benefits. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel. We will be right back with the new video.